Hello dear students, welcome back to Aakash Zalte Study Center. Today we are going to take the General Science chapter of Standard 7, that is topic number 8, Static Electricity. But before going to start the video, I request you to subscribe my this new channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications from my new videos. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Dear students, static electricity. Okay, what is static electricity? So to study this concept, just go through some examples in our daily life. That is, the first example is plastic comb. We use plastic comb to decorate our hairs. Okay, so when we rub plastic comb in our hair, and after rubbing, when we put the comb near some pieces of paper, what will happen? Pieces of paper will attract towards comb. This is one example. Second example, blanket. We use blanket in winter season to protect from winter. So when we rub the blanket with our hand, and if that blanket, if we put near any metal object, then some spark will create, sparking, ज्वाळा तयार होणार, ठिणग्या, बारीक बारीक ठिणग्या दिसतील तुम्हाला. ब्लँकेट जर आपण घासला हाताने आणि ते जर आपण एखाद्या मेटलच्या वस्तू जवळ नेलं तर बारीक बारीक ठिणग्या दिसतील. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल इज पॉलिस्टर कर्टन. पॉलिस्टर कर्टन in our home, at office, there are many polyester curtain. When we pass near the polyester curtain, what we observe? Polyester curtain attracts towards our body. So this is another example of static electricity. Now I think you have known about static electricity. It is a electricity, but temporary electricity. Electricity in our house, see, fan, tube, light, TV, all devices run on electricity. It is real electricity. But if there is temporary electricity, तात्पुरती विद्युत, त्यालाच म्हणतात स्थितिक विद्युत. मराठीमध्ये त्याला स्थितिक विद्युत असे म्हणतात. सो आपल्याला स्टॅटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा आता अभ्यास करायचा आहे. तर चला पुढे जाऊया. ओके डिअर स्टुडंट्स, वी सॉ सम एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ स्टॅटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Static electricity means some electric charge is there. So what is electric charge? See, electric charge in our nature or in our universe, every object has an electric charge, whether it is table or chair or any object, or our body. Human body also has an electric charge, but this electric charge does not affect to other bodies because the balance of electric charge is neutral. So what is neutral? So let's learn about what is neutral. See, all substances are made of very tiny particles. Every substance, every object made up of small tiny particles, and in that small tiny particles there is positive charge and negative charge in equal manner, balancing manner. Whether suppose there is 10 electric positive charge, so 10 negative charge, 10 plus 10 minus, so the balance is stable. So equal manner, so they are neutral. Every object, whether it our body or any object, is neutral. Yes, there is some charge, but it is in neutral form, so it does not affect another body. But when this balance is disturbed, then that object get charged. We can say when any body charged, when any body become charged, when the balance of their positive charge and negative charge disturb, whether positive increase or negative increase, then that object is said to be charged scientifically. Okay dear students, as I told you, every object in the universe has an electric charge, but that electric charge in the form of neutral. That means it does not affect to another object. But when two objects rub on each other, then the balance of positive charge and negative charge is disturbed and that object become charged. So with this concept, let's take a glass rod. yellow glass rod, and rub this glass rod on silk cloth. Due to rubbing, this glass rod gets charged. Okay, and now with the help of a thread, hang this glass rod at a particular place. Then take another glass rod and again rub on silk cloth. This second glass rod again charged, and put this glass rod near the first one. What will happen? These two glass rod goes from each other. That means they repulse from each other. Why? Because they have the same charge, and if there is same charge, positive positive or negative negative, same charge, then that two objects get away from each other. Another example, let's take plastic rod and rub this plastic rod on woolen cloth. What is woolen? Woolen means sweater. थंडीच्या दिवसात जे स्वेटर घालतो आपण ते. So when we rub plastic rod on woolen cloth, then plastic rod gets some charge, and when we put this plastic rod near the glass rod, what will happen? Plastic rod and glass rod gets towards, that means push towards each other. एकमेकांकडे ते येतील, चिपकतील. They attract each other. That means what we say? There is an attraction. Here is a repulsion. When two objects goes from each other, it is called repulsion. And when two objects comes together, then it is called attraction. Okay? Two rods carrying similar charges push each other away. This is called repulsion. And we learn from the second experiment that rods carrying opposite types of charges are pulled towards each other. This is called attraction. The scientist Benjamin Franklin named the electric charges positive charge and negative charge. The scientist who has given the name to these charges, positive charge and negative charge. Okay, now I am sure that you have learned about what is static electricity and what is electric charge, whether it is positive charge or negative charge. So solve the questions which I given on the screen for your homework. Thank you.